Today, we join with our founding members, those we've honored as the Spirit of 74. It's a day for all of us to join with the writers of Scripture who quoted Mary as saying, "With God, nothing shall be impossible." It's a day where we grow our faith for an even greater tomorrow, where we can quiet the whispers of life when the impossible stares us in the face. When the mountains are too high, the valleys too deep, the reality is too expensive, when it all seems too difficult. At Hillside, we've already seen the impossible happen, and we've seen a youth group grow to over 200 strong, and countless children, teenagers, and adults alike find purpose and passion in Jesus. We've witnessed people who we never thought would have ever stepped into the waters of baptism, hearts once distant, now drawn near. We've seen new beginnings in places where hope seemed lost. We've welcomed people from 45 countries around the world who are wonderfully strengthening our Hillside family. And together we've weathered numerous challenges throughout the years, including a global pandemic, without losing heart or ever giving up on the vision. Pursuing the impossible is part of our identity as a church. We are here today because of those in the past willing to boldly envision greater things and faithfully trust God for the impossible, all for His glory. And so today, we continue to take hold of the words of Jesus. With man, this is impossible, but with God, all things are possible. As a family, we look at all the impossible things the Lord has already done. What a story He is writing. And step into a new day by placing our faith in the living God. We set out to please Him alone. We gratefully give honor to the Spirit of 74, but understand that together a new movement begins, a new identity is embraced. Today, we become Legacy 24 as we prepare for the next chapter of God's plan for Hillside, as we courageously pursue the impossible.